Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be playing around with ColourPop Fade into Hue makeup palette. I always wanted to play around with colors, and you know, you could only do so much with like neutral makeup palettes. So for today's look, I'm gonna do something like this. And luckily the makeup artist actually used this palette, so this will be very easy to duplicate. I might also apply rhinestones because I have colorful ones and it'll be really fun to use them. I also got makeup brushes from ColourPop. When I first got them, the brush case smells like paint. It smells very chemically. This is how the brush looks like. The brushes and the makeup palette came in a set. The brushes are really soft. I don't think it's real hair. I think it's synthetic hair. But yeah, they seem like pretty good quality. They are individually wrapped up, so I'm just going to take them out of the wrapper and then start my makeup. First, I'm going to apply my base. So the reason why I picked that look is because I thought that the look was very wearable. And I wanted to do like a soft, kind of like cotton candy, rainbow makeup look. I always wanted to add color into my makeup. However, in Korea, there aren't a lot of colorful makeup. Like you wouldn't find a blue eyeshadow or a green eyeshadow in their makeup palette. So I was kind of bored of doing just like the same neutral look every single day. I don't know why Korea don't have like colorful eyeshadows. Like honestly, if you look at all the makeup palettes in Korea, they kind of look the same. I understand that like majority of Korean women don't wear colorful makeup, but I think that's because there isn't any available. So if makeup brands that come out with like colorful eyeshadows, I think people will start wearing them. But unless like it's a foreign brand, you will not find a Korean brand that has really colorful shadows. Okay, let's open this up. It is just so pretty. Ta-da! This is how it looks. The possibility of the makeup looks that you could create with just one palette. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let's just jump right in. Also, another thing that I do want to mention, I love that it's not just like all matte. There's some glitter, there's shimmer, there's matte. There's a lot here, so you could definitely create different looks. I'm just gonna copy what she did directly. Like I'm just gonna use the same colors that she used. Okay, so I'm gonna start from inside and then go out. Let's zoom in. So the first color she used is designer, so I'm gonna go with this color. I'm gonna go right here. I thought it would be a little bit more pigmented, but it's not. I think I need to put down like a white base or something, but I don't have that right now, so we're just gonna work with what we have. I'm now going to take this yellow color and just apply it beside the green. Next is this orange color. Going in with the pink. Next, I'm gonna go with Selfie and then Take It Easy. I'm not gonna put a lot of Selfie, just like a touch of Selfie. Like I don't want the purple to overpower the pink, but I still want the purple to shine through a little. Now I'm taking Take It Easy on the outer. I want the green to shine a little bit more. I'm gonna grab a little bit more green and apply it. I'm also going to take this color and I'm gonna put that on my inner corners. I think this is all I'm gonna do. I thought this would be really hard and complicated, but it was actually pretty easy. For the bottom lash line, she applied like a brown eyeshadow. So let's do that. I'm going to take this color right here. I'm just gonna apply this on my lower lash line. I'm not going to do a wing line. Instead, I'm just going to tight line. So I messed up and now I have to draw my line a little thicker, but that is okay because I'm going to apply lashes. I'm just not gonna do a wing. Okay, so for my mascara, I've been using the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift. At first, I didn't like it because the brush is so big for my lashes, but I like the formula. But I wish the brush was a little bit smaller. I feel like most Western mascara doesn't really cater to Asian lashes, and I think that's why I like Asian mascaras. But I really like the formula. It does an amazing job holding the curls and it doesn't feel crunchy. But the brush is just so big. I'm also going to apply lashes. I usually apply a half lash, but I'm wearing a full lash right now and it's weird. I honestly thought this makeup look was gonna be so difficult, but it was actually really easy. I feel like I did something wrong because it was really simple. I guess this was like a good way to test the eyeshadow palette. I do feel like I need a white base for the colors to really shine through, because without like a white base, the color is just really faint. I feel like looking at my lashes now, I feel like I should have gotten with an individual lash and not a full strip of lashes, because it's kind of covering the makeup look. But we're learning as we go. Now that I have this eyeshadow palette, I don't even know like what kind of look I want to create. I mean, I do have a lot of looks in mind and I'm trying to pull out a lot of inspirations, but I'm like, I have so many looks that I want to do that I don't know where to start. I'm just glad that they came out with this palette because there isn't a lot of colorful palettes out there. I mean, not that I know of. If you do know, please leave it in the comments. I don't know that many colorful palettes except for this one, so that is why I got this one. For blush, just using a pink blush. So for the rhinestones, I think I'm gonna do pink, purple, blue, and then green, yellow, orange. So 3 here and 3 here. Pink, purple, blue, green, yellow. One more. All right, let's take off my hair. Here it is. Should I put on contacts? Let me put on contacts. I'll be back. Now it looks complete. This is the final look. I think this look is perfect for festivals, concerts, or even every day, to be honest. It is such an easy and quick makeup look to do. I had so much fun playing around with this palette. I can't wait to create more looks. So please subscribe if you want to see what kind of looks I create. Like this video and comment your favorite festival food, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!